How to make a beautiful long comment and stylish bio. Let's start. Before starting, if you're new on my channel, so let's subscribe and press the bell icon. The first option allows you to generate text multiple times, especially if someone is annoyed. Simply type your text type and repetition limit and click generate. When you click on the new line, all the text will be typed in the new line. And you can generate a random text like this. And you can make a beautiful comment or message with this option like this.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
In Crazy Text option, there are many fonts that can help you type beautifully. In the new option, you get emotional cartoon faces, which can make your message beautiful. In a next option, you can generate a blank text. You can create custom blank text, small or large. Simple click on copy and paste anywhere. And a next option, you can generate emoji like this. So let me teach you how to download it. Open Play Store. Search Text Repeatr. Click on the first one and install.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.